Dr. Pezzat from CAST Med High School. I'm here live at Dr. Ochoa's office, and I came here to interview some of our students that are currently doing an internship with Dr. Ochoa. Hello everyone, I'm here with one of our incoming 10th graders, and I'm going to go ahead and allow her to introduce herself.
Hi, I'm Destiny. I'm going to be a sophomore at CAST Med High School, and I'm one of the students interning with Dr. Ochoa.
So what do you like most about CAST Med?
I like the classes that they offer, like our biomed class. It's definitely not something that you get at a regular school, and it's a lot of hands-on experiences. Like I remember at the beginning we were doing like blood tests and like drug tests and stuff, trying to figure out the crime scene. So that was like super cool. I like that, and just the opportunities that they offer.
Okay, so you mentioned opportunities. What type of opportunities does CAST Med offer?
Well, for one, this opportunity I'm having here, I mean, I didn't think that as a freshman I could intern with like an actual real clinic, but here I am. And also volunteer opportunities, because you do need volunteer hours to graduate high school, but they're all super fun and super helpful to the community.
Okay, and last question, Destiny. What advice would you give an incoming ninth grader to be successful at CAST Med High School?
My advice would be to learn time management for sure. Definitely study and make sure that you leave enough room to study, and just plan for all your work and get all of that done, because it does pile up a lot. It can be a little bit too much at times, but if you do manage to, of course, use your time management and just balance, fun and school, then you'll do really, really good.
Okay, Destiny, so with this internship at Dr. Ochoa's office, what have you learned? Have you learned anything differently? Or have you learned anything different? And what have you seen? And what are your thoughts about it so far?
So I definitely have learned new things with this internship. Before, all I knew was amputations. You get a cut, it doesn't heal, and they just give you the amputation. But here with Dr. Ochoa, because she specializes in vascular surgery, you get to learn about the process, just the things that happen way before the amputation. So what happens is the vein gets blocked, and this stops the blood from going to a wound. Usually it's on the feet, and if it doesn't heal, that's where Dr. Ochoa steps in, and she clears out the arteries and the veins, and that's how she saves the limb. The blood gets there and it heals and everything's fine. And it's actually very cool, because there were some days that she lets us in the room while they're doing the procedure, and you can see her like clearing out the veins and putting all the stuff in there, and you get to see like the wounds on there, and it's really cool. It's like nothing I've ever seen before.
Okay, now I'm here with Rodrigo Lerma. He is an incoming 10th grader, and he'll tell you a little bit about himself.
Hi, I'm Rodrigo, and I'm an intern here at Dr. Ochoa's clinic. It's a really awesome experience here.
What made you choose CAST Med High School, Rodrigo?
So as a middle schooler searching for high schools, I came across CAST Med, and I was really interested in the medical field.
So Rodrigo, what are some learning opportunities that you've been able to experience at CAST Med High School?
Some learning opportunities that I got to experience at CAST Med as a ninth grader were student conferences. We got to learn how to eat healthier, how to stay fit, and we also got to cook, which was really fun for 2 days. We also get many guest speakers, and they're really helpful because it opens up your pathways for the medical field.
Lastly, what advice would you give to an incoming ninth grader to be successful at CAST Med?
Some advice would be to have good study habits, because if you don't, that can lead to many problems, and such as like time management. You're not gonna get work done in time. You're always gonna be late. That's personally something that happened to me. because I had a bad habit of like turning in late work, and that's not acceptable.
Hey, hello everyone. Now I'm here with Letza Martinez, and she's another incoming 10th grader, and she'll tell you a little bit more about herself.
Hi, I'm Letza. As Dr. Pezzat said, I'm an incoming 10th grader, and I'm a student obviously at CAST Med, and I'm really excited to share some information with y'all.
Why did you choose CAST Med?
Okay, I chose CAST Med because I would like to be a pediatrician in the future. So with all these advanced classes and with all these opportunities and programs that CAST will offer, I'm sure I will get there in the future.
Tell us a little bit about the different learning opportunities that CAST Med has to offer.
CAST Med has many learning opportunities. It has opportunities for every single type of learner. We get to do a lot of hands-on stuff. We get to actually have opportunities like this internship that I am currently doing. We get to do a lot of projects in class, and our teachers are really like focused on us and really want the best for us. They really want us to succeed. So they're always finding new ways for every single student to learn and for every single student to understand.
Letza, what advice would you give an incoming 9th grader for them to be successful at CAST Med?
Okay, an incoming 9th grader. There's a lot of things you need to know, but obviously you will learn along the way. But one thing I would really advise you to know in the beginning is to learn how to focus. Like, it's hard to focus, and mainly because it's your first year of high school. All you want to do is have fun, play games, have adventures, do TikToks, literally anything at school. But you really need to know that without focusing, you will lose track and you will go a total different route, because we learn new things every single day. Our classes are an hour 30 minutes long, so we do a lot during the day. We focus on many topics and we learn a lot of things. So I would really just say focus. Always have your goals in mind, because that is what will honestly keep you pushing and keep you going. Because if you really want it, you will only achieve it by trying your best and focusing.
Your thoughts about your experience so far in this internship with Dr. Ochoa?
It has been a really amazing experience, because I honestly never thought about that career. But now that I see it and I see all the things that they do to help the patients, because the patients here, most of them have diabetes, most of them have blocked veins and arteries, and you will learn more about that. But what they basically do here is they try to open up the arteries because of all the cholesterol and plaque that is building up to block them. And as soon as you think about it, and it sounds like, oh, okay, that sounds interesting. But as soon as you see it, the amazing things that a person can do for someone else, how it can save their life, how it can save a limb. And it's really amazing, because you think of it, and at least for me, it encourages me more every day, because I really want to get to the process where I get to help people. And like I said, I want to be a pediatrician. I want to help kids. I want to just make an impact in somebody's life. And I honestly think that if you save a person's limb, they will never forget about you, because you save them from going through a struggle that can lead to many other medical problems, mental health issues, and many more things. So I feel like Dr. Ochoa is a very amazing person, and this internship is a very amazing opportunity, mainly because we actually get to see it and see the impact she is making on people.
Hi, I'm Dr. Lyssa Ochoa. I'm a vascular surgeon with the San Antonio Vascular and Endovascular Clinic. I'm an industry partner with CAST Med, and I was very excited to be able to offer 3 of the CAST Med students internships here in my office during the summer. They've been very helpful in my clinic. They've been interacting with patients. They've been helping us follow up on backlogs of patients. But not only that, I've tried to make sure that they get the experience of what it's like to be a part of the entire organization, whether it's front desk, MAs, medical assistants work, shadowing our ultrasound techs, shadowing me in my clinic, watching the procedures that I do. I want to make sure they get a full, well-rounded experience of what it's like to be in a vascular surgery clinic. I look forward to more interns in the future.